Hi, I am Nandan. Today I am going to guide you how to install the 75 mm refractor telescope. Before we start, I will introduce the parts which we are using. So this is the optical tube. It is a PVC pipe having 53 centimeter long, and this is the focuser which we are using, and diagonal eyepiece, focuser holder, and objective lens holder. And this is the main thing. This is the doublet lens or plano-convex lens. Otherwise, we call it as a dichromatic lens. So this is the main for this telescope. And we are using same length, 3 steel tripod rods. This one. Yeah. Next, we will go to the installation process. Yeah. Let's get into the installation part. So for this, I will be taking the objective lens holder and the achromatic doublet lens. So you can see the one part is completely plain and another side the lens little up. It means you can see the up portion over there, and we call it as a convex lens. So for this we need to insert into the objective lens holder. So for this I will be using the tissue paper. So I will be making the left hand triangle shape. I will be keeping the tissue paper over here, and I will be taking the lens holder, like this. It should be like this, and make sure the lens should be clean. There is no fingerprint over there. So if anything you find on the top of the lens, you need to wipe it using the microcloth or any smooth tissue. Then make sure the convex part, the bulky part, should go inside like this. It should be point towards the objective place. Yeah, like should. Yeah, the lens should be going sit completely comfortably on the lens holder part side like this. Yeah, I will be taking the optical tube. So one of the end of the pipe I will be inserting into the lens holder part like this. We need to install and make sure the lens should not shake or it should not move. So it should be fixed like this. Yeah. Now I will be moving to add the focuser holder here. I will be taking the focuser. Yeah, this focuser we can move the upwards or downwards, so to get the clear image, to match the focal length of the image. This one. Then I will be using the diagonal, so for the comfortable view. I am losing the knob here and I was inserting the diagonal, then I was locking here. Next, I will be using the 20 mm eyepiece. So I will be inserting into the diagonal and using the knob I was locking it. Now the telescope installation part is completed. Now let's move on to the tripod making part. So I have the tripod mount here. For this I have 3 tripod rods. So it's which having around 100 centimeter long. So what I am doing is just I was inserting the rod into the tripod mount like this. Yeah. Now, and on the other end of the rods, I was using the rubber bushes for the better grip. We are done with telescope installation and tripod installation part. Now we need to attach the telescope to the tripod. Now for this I want to make the center point for the telescope. So for the balancing thing I want to find out the center of gravity. Then for this I will be using the thread. So using the thread I want to balance the telescope. So at one point I can get the center of gravity point here. Then I mark the center point here, and using the drill bit I have made the small holes. So I want to attach the tripod holder here using a self thread. Let's fix it to tripod. Let's attach the telescope to the tripod. For this I am using the screw here. Yeah. Yeah, we can rotate the telescope like this. There is another screw, we can fix it, and this is the up and down. If you want to lock it some angle, you can use this screw. It becomes lock here. Now the telescope is ready to gaze. Let's go. Yeah, I was focusing the faraway object. So I am using the screw for the tighten it. Yeah, I found one blurry image. So I am not able to see the clear image. So the focal length of the image. So I am using the focuser to match the focal length. Okay. Yes. Correct. Now on certain one point I will get the clear image. Yes, correct. Now I'm able to see the clear image over here. Yeah. This is how the telescope works. Thank you all.